Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today our first online lecture of subject Biology, Class 9, Federal Board. Today our topic of discussion is major division and branches of biology. Our learning objectives are: at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to know the definition of biology and different branches of biology. Now, before starting the major division of biology, first of all, we should know the definition of biology. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning study, thoughts or reasoning. So, biology is the study of life or living organism. Now, the major division of biology are: number one is botany, in which we study about the plants. Second one is zoology, in which we study about the animals. And the third one is microbiology, in which we study about the microorganism. Now, the branches of biology are: number one is morphology, in which we study about the form and structure of living organism. The next branch is the anatomy, in which we study about the internal structure of living organism. Now, the third branch is the histology or histology, in which the microscopic study of tissues takes place. Now, the next branch of biology is the cytology. Cytology is a branch of biology in which we study about the structure and function of the cell, its internal parts, and also deal with the cell division. The next branch of biology is physiology, in which we study about the function of different parts of living organism. Dear student, the next branch is the genetics, in which we study about the genes and their role in inheritance. Now, the next branch is the embryology or developmental biology, in which we study about the development of an embryo to a new individual. The next branch is the taxonomy, in which we study about the naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and differences. Now, the next branch is the paleontology, in which we study about the either the fossils of the plant or either the fossils of the animals. Dear student, the next branch is ecology or environmental biology. It is the branch of biology in which we study about the relationship of environment with their organism. Now, the next branch is parasitology. Parasitology is the study of the parasites. Dear student, the next one is the biotechnology. It is the most advanced branch of biology that deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. Dear student, the next one is the immunology. It is the study of the immune system of animals, a system that protects our body from our many microorganisms or invaders. The next branch is the entomology. Entomology is the branch of biology in which we study about the insects. Now, the next branch is, and the last one is, the pharmacology. Dear student, in pharmacology, we study about the drugs and their effects on the systems of the human body. Dear student, here I attach a worksheet in which you match the column A with the B. Thank you.